Good morning children, welcome to another tutorial of science. Today we are going to discuss about the microbes. Microbes are the unicellular or multicellular organs. They are very tiny organisms. They are present almost everywhere. Inside our body, outside our body, on our hands, on our nose, our mouth, even in air, in water, etc. Normally we have to discuss about 4 types of microbes. Number 1 is bacteria, other one is fungi. Fungi is a kind of microbe we often observe on a bread. When the bread gets older, after a few days we observe a white and green layer, and that white and green layer is nothing but the small organisms. We call it as fungi. After this, there is another type of organism which we call as protozoa. And mostly we will discuss about virus these days. Children, do you remember? These virus is also responsible for so many diseases. Okay, so let us start discussing about different types of microbes. Microbes. They are the very minute or microscopic organisms. Children, do you know we cannot see them with our eyes. We can see them only under the microscope. Do you know these are the very minute organs? They may be of single cell or they are multicellular. And there are millions and trillions of microbes that are existing in the universe. Microbes may be of different types. Some few common microbes are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and virus. Now children, can you tell me, are these microbes harmful or they are useful? But if we are fully equipped with all these microbes from everywhere, can they be helpful for us? Yes, they are helpful for us for certain ways. Let us discuss few of them. Children, do you eat curd? Yes. Do you know how your mom prepares curd? She prepares curd with the milk by adding a small spoon of curd into a cup of milk. Then after some time the whole milk gets converted into curd. And how does it happen? It happens due to the bacteria that is present in the curd that gets convert your milk into curd. Also, you guys eat your bakery products like breads, buns, cakes, pastries. These all can be prepared by the help of these microorganisms, and this process is called fermentation. What is fermentation? It is the chemical breakdown of the food products by the help of microorganism. This is called as fermentation. Including this, one major role of microbes is that they act as decomposers. Decomposers means when any plant or animal or human being got dead, then what happens to them? These microbes, they act on their dead bodies and get the nutrients back to the environment. They convert the dead bodies into soil and give their nutrients back to the environment. Thus, they help in maintaining the flow of nutrients in nature. As the nature get their nutrients back, that can be supplied to the organisms again. So this is one of the major role of microbes, as they act as decomposers. They help in maintaining the balance of nature. So let us have a quick look. What are the main uses of microorganisms? Firstly, they are used by the people for us to make their foods, to make their medicines. Children, do you know that there are so many medicines that can be made from microorganisms that help us to fight against the diseases? Also, they help in maintaining the ecosystem. There are certain microbes that are present in our digestive system, that are present in our brain, that helps to improve our immune system. So, microbes are very, very important for us. They are present inside our body. Okay, including these, there are certain other functions of microbes are also there. As you can see here, microbes can be used for sewage treatment. They can be used for antibiotics and medicines. Of course, just as they are present in human digestive system, they are present in the digestive tract of so many plant eaters like cows and giraffe and help in the digestion of food. Because these plant eaters, they have to eat the fibrous food. So these organisms, these microbes help them to digest their food. Now children, is there any disadvantage of microbes or they are only useful? Of course, they are also equally harmful. Some qualities or some types of microbes can harm us. They can cause us many kind of diseases. Let us discuss about few. Children, as we know that we are all studying at home, why? Can you tell me? Yes, because of infection of a virus that has been spread. To avoid that infection, we have to maintain a distance. Now, why this infection spreads? That spreads through a microorganism, that spreads to a virus. Okay, so viruses can cause infections not only to the animals, to human beings, but to plants also. So that is very harmful for us. Even there are certain type of algae that grows along the water bodies and cause pollution. Children, you might have seen that near the water bodies there is a green layer. That green layer is nothing but an algae that causes pollution in the water also. Also, the fungi, like I have given you the example, that can be present on the bread that gets spoiled after a few days. Fungi grows on food products and make that food waste for all of us. Some bacteria, they can spread diseases like cholera and typhoid. These all diseases, they are called as communicable diseases. So what are communicable diseases? The diseases that spread from one person to another, they are called as communicable diseases. There is another category of microorganisms that is called as protozoa, and these protozoans are also responsible for different diseases in human beings. So we should avoid them. We should be very careful. Now, time for a quick test. Microbes are used in beverage industries as they help in dash of the food product. In beverage industries, it is fermentation. Certain types of dash grow in water bodies and cause pollution. Yes, what grows in the water bodies? Algae. Very good. Can you tell me name two diseases that are caused by bacteria? That is cholera and typhoid. Very good, children. Children, I hope the topic of microbes is clear to all of you. And now you are able to answer all the assignments. All the best.